Hey guys, welcome to Yoga with Fabio. Today we're recording a sequence to re-energize the body and we're here in beautiful Italy. So if you're ready, let's do it together. Starting our practice today with our feet together, we're going to take a big exhale to empty our lungs and freeing our mind from all the unnecessary thoughts. With your next inhale, rise your arms up and exhale Uttanasana, forward fold, letting the head hang heavy. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, ground your hands and hop back with control in Chaturanga Dandasana. Uncoil to upward facing dog. Pressing firmly into the ground with your hands and tops of the feet. And exhale, downward facing dog, lengthening the spine, no tension in the neck. And let's hold it here for a few breaths. Rise your right leg up in the sky and step it between your hands and lift up to Warrior One position. From here, opening hips and shoulders, we're going to deepen into Warrior Two. Straighten the front leg before tilting forward from your hips, moving into Trikonasana, the triangle pose. Long, deep breaths. And when you're ready, look down. Bend your front leg, inhale into Reverse Warrior. Before windmilling your hands to the ground and lowering to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, thighs engaged. Exhale, downward facing dog. Long spine, pressing nice firmly with hands and feet. Lift up your left leg and step it in between your hands. Inhale, lift up to Warrior One. Nice steady breaths. Opening out hips and shoulders to Warrior Two to deepen the position. Straighten the front leg and tilting forward from the hip joint to move into Trikonasana. Looking up to challenge and keep your thighs engaged. Look down, bend your front leg and inhale up to Warrior Two and move into Reverse Warrior. Windmill your hands down to the ground and lower to Chaturanga before inhaling upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Heavy heels. Look forward, step or hop in between your hands flat back. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, rise up, palms touch. And exhale, Samastitihi. On your next inhale, swipe your hands down and over your head and sit back into Utkatasana. Exhale, forward fold Uttanasana. Big inhale, flat back. Ground your hands, hop back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Hold it here for one cycle of breath and then lift your right leg up and step between your hands, lifting your torso up into Warrior Two and continue the inhale to go into Reverse Warrior. Empty your lungs, Parsvakonasana, so ground your right hand and create a long line of energy on your left side, and then swipe your left arm to go into a high lunge position, arms overhead, and optional small back bend here before swinging towards your front leg and rolling up, one vertebra at a time. Inhale, chair pose, strong legs here. And exhale down to Uttanasana. Inhale, flat back. And exhale, hopping back to Chaturanga before lifting up, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Lifting the left leg up, stepping in between our hands. Inhale, come up to Warrior Two and Reverse Warrior, continuing the inhale. Exhale, ground your left hand, Parsvakonasana on the right side. Swipe your right hand down and overhead to high lunge position, optional small back bend before swinging towards the front leg and rolling with control all the way up. And today will be challenging with a little variation, so Utkatasana one more time, but this time we'll go into a twist towards the right side, holding here, stepping back with the left leg, and we'll create arms sort of like a triangle pose, so perpendicular to the ground. And this is a quite hitting position which will really energize your body. Ground your knee and swipe your hands to go into a low lunge position, small back bend here again, and that's optional. And then ground your hands, stepping back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Hold for one cycle of breath. Empty your lungs, look forward, and hop between your hands flat back. Exhale, fold, and inhale into Utkatasana to take it to the other side. Exhale, twist towards the left. Make your right side light so that you can step back with the right foot. And once again, ground your hand, triangle pose. Strong, steady breath. Right knee comes to the floor. Swipe your arms up. Low lunge position, optional back bend. And then swing forward, ground your hands, stepping back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Keeping the breath steady, looking forward. Hop between your hands, and this time we're going to hold on to the right big toe and lifting up, still holding on to the big toe in Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. And here I'm still working on my balance. When you're ready, you can open out to the side, keeping the left leg strong. Then when you're ready, you can take it back to center and come down to the ground. Slowly switching hands. So we'll hold on to the left foot this time. Inhale, rise up. Strong right leg. This can be pretty challenging, so don't be too hard on yourself. Opening out to the side. Coming back to center. And exhale, release. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up. And exhale, hands to the heart. And thank yourself for this awesome practice today. Thank you for taking time to work towards your goal. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.